Are you thinking about getting into the HVAC field but aren't sure where to start? Well, the NATE Ready to Work exam is your first step. It's the entry pass into the trade, showing you understand the fundamentals and that you're ready to get in the vehicle. It covers the basics, the tools, electrical, safety, measurements, heat transfer, the core skills every technician needs. You can take it straight through the SkillCat app. Download the app, it's $50 or free if you win the giveaway, and when you pass, you'll have a certificate you can flex with. So download the app, start studying, and get ready to crush it. This certification proves you're serious. It builds your credibility, helps you land jobs, and it's the first step toward full NATE certification. So jump in, get certified, and level up your HVAC game with NATE Ready to Work exam.